Hello everyone, 안녕하세요. My name is Jiyoung and I'm a full-time Korean teacher. Today I'll be talking about how to wish for something in Korean. If you know the K-pop group Girls' Generation, you might have heard of their song Genie, but the Korean title is 소원을 말해봐, which means tell me your wish. So today let's practice how to make a wish in Korean. First of all, to make a wish is 소원을 빌다. 소원 is a wish, 을 is object particle, and 빌다 is to make part. Now you might think, wait, but make is 만들다. And you'd be right. In Korea, we don't make a wish, but we wish a wish. So to wish is actually 빌다. So now that you know all the words, let's start making the wishes. When we are making the wishes, basically we are calling on a God, asking for help. The grammar we need is blank게 해주세요. 뭐뭐뭐뭐 하게 해주세요. Which means please make or please let me the blank. For example, 돈을 많이 벌게 해주세요. Please make me make a lot of money. 돈을 많이 벌게 해주세요. The second one, 남자친구가 생기게 해주세요. Please let me to have a boyfriend. 남자친구가 생기게 해주세요. The third one, 올해 시험에 합격하게 해주세요. What is 올해? 올해 is the new year, this year. Please let me pass my exam this year. 올해 시험에 합격하게 해주세요. And one more example, I think everyone, including me, would really love to get rid of COVID-19 this year. So for that, 코로나가 없어지게 해주세요. Which means please get rid of COVID-19. 코로나가 없어지게 해주세요. 코로나가 없어지게 해주세요. So everyone, do you have any wishes for this year? If you have one, please write it down below in the comments. And then if you're looking for a Korean tutor, I'm going to leave my link in the description box, so please check that out. I hope you have a lovely day today, and I see you soon. 안녕!